Your smoke detector exists because of a failed experiment. And no, not a rocket launch. Something way smaller changed everything. In the 1930s, a scientist tried to detect poison gas. The device failed until he lit a cigarette. Smoke particles disrupted an electric current in the air. That reaction became the core of the smoke detector. Most alarms don't smell smoke. They detect tiny electrical changes using physics and a microscopic radioactive source. A life-saving invention, born from a mistake. Comment accident for part 2. And the next accident saved even more lives. Follow and subscribe Factos by Dr. SK.